Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are in the Questions Corner short video series. Let's get right into the video without wasting any time. Here is the question. How can I select every other edge loop to reduce the polygon count? First, let's talk about a common mistake. You might think of adding edge loops to your selection by using Shift-Alt-Left click. While this works, it can be very time-consuming, prone to errors, and even impossible for some models. Here is the easy way. In this example, use Ctrl-Alt-Left click to select an edge ring. Then, in the top left corner, go to the Select menu and click on Checker Deselect. After that, go to the Select menu again and click on Select Loops, Edge Loops. This way, you can quickly select your loops. Additionally, after applying the Checker Deselect command, you can adjust the deselected, selected, and offset options in the command panel in the lower left corner. Using these two commands together can be very beneficial, so I recommend adding them to your Quick Favorites menu just as I do. This will significantly shorten your asset production process. You won't always want to select the entire edge ring on the model. In such cases, you can manually select your parallel edges as desired, and then apply the command. If you still find edge loops that need to be cleaned up after applying these commands, you can clean them up with loop selection. This will still be much easier to do. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and hit the bell to not miss our future tutorials. If you want to ask questions either, you can write in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time.